Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button for more updates. Hi kahleni guys, nangungizwa hambe nikeza abantu ama chest pains. Imagine having to be a flight attendant and you come across into enche. So guys, it has been said that Ungizwe went into a flight and did this. Okay, was shouting on top of his lungs, guys. A jelly flight attendant. Asiwuzwa, you're wasting your time. Yo, guys, imagine if got to flight attendant by that moment. You have to read out my instructions to tell people what to do and what not to do go flight. And somebody goes on saying, asikuzwa ukhuluma wedwa, like seriously. Okay guys, let me just read one comment that comes from Twitter. One says Ngizwe soon will be banned to use as a flight. Making somebody uncomfortable at their place of employment is not only uncalled for, but it's also traumatic. Which indeed, guys, it's very true. But anyway, guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And please, guys, do subscribe if you haven't done so.
Unacceptable. You have already been advised on this flight by flight attendants violation of the South Africa law.
Yes,
I see why she committed one or more offences.
Can someone translate?
I see why law talk.